hi mga mi. So I just wanna react on this comment. Hindi ko siya barely naintindihan, pero at some point, at some part, medyo gets ko. So ito na lang yung translated version sa mga hindi nakakaintindi. So this is regarding the video na pinagbabasihan ng Americans yung economy natin, kaya mababa yung rate na binibigay nila. But what I'm trying to say is, hindi sila magbayad ng Americans do the same job, what we're doing, pero sa atin, mas mababa. Just gets ko naman. Kaya nga sila nandito naghahanap sa Philippines ng VA kasi nga mas mura and sometimes better quality. Ngayon, ang point ko is nakakalungkot lang kasi they are basing it based on our economy. What I mean by that is some of the client, they are basing it on our basic pay. And sometimes kasi pag sinerch nila sa internet, basic pay of Filipinos per month. Ang lalabas kasi dyan, 19,000 pesos per month. It's not even call center rate. So nakakalungkot sa comment na to, dapat daw tayong mga Pinoy VA, alam natin saan yung posisyon natin. You can accept that kind of rate. That's okay, wala namang mali dun eh. Ikaw ba, papayag ka, babayaran ka lang ng $1, pero yung talent mo, pang $20.